because you want to be closer to that 70, 75% still, because like Warren said, you might be 10, 15 years away from the age of retirement, but you still have 30 years maybe plus left. That is 40, 50 years almost still investment term. That's long term. That's long-term capital that needs to be invested appropriately. When we talk about risk, investment risk, we'll always think about volatility risk, how the markets go up and down. And that's going to happen. It's a very normal thing. We have to manage our emotions around that. But that other risk that you mentioned there, I like to call it the invisible monster, that inflation one. Because you don't see inflation, it's not something running around, Tokolosi eating your money, burning it in the bank. It's the increase of price of cost and living, and you see the effect of inflation. Moaning because your grocery bill is getting more expensive every month. That is inflation, and we only beat inflation if we invest in inflation beating assets like growth assets, shares, property.